guys, it's me, Mrs. Main. There's no live Zoom this week, so consider this little video our live Zoom. There's no live Zoom because there's no school today, it's Veterans Day, but you know that because you know how a calendar works. Now, where was I? Oh, this week's project is algebra. Now, we're going to do algebra several times over the course of the year. This is the very basicest, easiest algebra. But our algebra projects are going to get really hard really fast, so it's important that you are really super solid on how algebra works. So don't rush this week, go very slowly. If you're stuck, use physical manipulatives. So what you're going to do this week is 1, do an algebra worksheet, then 2, do another algebra worksheet, then 3, make me a delightful stop motion animation showing an algebra problem being solved. Now, don't freak out. Along with every algebra worksheet, I have a video that shows you what to do. But the 2 basic rules we're working with this week are 1, both halves of the algebra equation, whatever's on both sides of the equal sign, they start off equal. This side equals this side, even though the numbers and the x's are different. And 2, if you do something to one side, you have to do the exact same to the other. So I thought, just for funsies, I'd solve a little problem here. In my classroom, when I teach this, you know, back in the before times when we could be in the same room with each other, I like to use little Hershey's Kisses in place of X for a couple of reasons. First, on your worksheet, they're going to be little triangles instead of X's on the first worksheet to represent the unknown number. And 2, I super like chocolate. If my students get the answer right, I throw them a little Hershey's Kiss, and if they get it wrong, I eat the Hershey's Kiss in front of them. They learn so fast. Anyway, take a look at my board. Each one of these is an X, and each X is the same number. It's a mystery number, right? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 X plus the number 3 is the same thing as the number 5 and 1 mystery number X and the number 6. So, rule 1 is both sides are equal. These both, if you add them up all together, equal the same number. Only you can't add them up all together because you don't know what X equals yet. And rule number 2, if you do something to one side, you have to do the exact same to the other. So when you're looking at a problem, the first thing you want to do is ask yourself, what's the same on both sides? Well, I have Hershey's Kisses on both sides. I have like the same mystery number on both sides. So I'm going to take 1 Hershey's Kiss from this side, and because I'm doing it to this side, I have to do the exact same to the other side. I'm going to take 1 Hershey's Kiss from this side. So, because I've been careful to keep the equation balanced, both sides still equal the same number. I know what this side equals. 5 plus 6 is 11. This side is 11. This side is also 11, but I've still got all these mystery numbers. Now, what is still the same on both sides? I don't have Hershey's Kisses on both sides anymore, but I do still have numbers on both sides. I'm going to take 3 from this side, but if I take 3 from this side, I have to take 3 from this side. So I'm going to take 3 from 5. So I'm going to take this 5 off and make it a 2, because 5 minus 3 is 2, I'm pretty sure. So now, on this side, I have 6, 7, 8. I have the number 8. And on this side, I have 4 Hershey's Kisses. Now, there's nothing the same that I can balance anymore, so now I just have to figure it out. What number 4 times is the same thing as 8? Like Dora the Explorer, I'm just going to wait a minute for you to shout it out to the video camera screen. Yes, 2 is our answer. 2, 4, 6, 8. The mystery number is 2. Now, I can put the problem back the way it was just to check. So, I'm going to add the 3 here. 5x plus 3 is the same thing as 11 plus x. So now that I know the answer is 2, I can check my work. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13. This side is 13. 11, 12, 13. The 2 works. My problem is solved. And I'm going to reward myself by eating a candy. Aww. So I'll see you guys next week. Work your way through this week's 3 tasks. There will be more videos, so don't worry. And if you can con your parents into it, tell them that you need candy for manipulatives for your math project this week. See you guys next week.